video gun.
Good morning. It's been a while since I made a video going on this morning. So I'm at a buddy's house today and we are going to get some things demoed to get this yard cleaned up. The other weekend, I should say, we came and built this fence all the way down there. It was a good time. Neighbors are here. We had a good old time doing it. I'll throw some pictures in as the video goes on and of the process and how everything looked. That's the plan for today. We're gonna get this shed torn down, relocate all his tools. The slide right here, that's gonna go. We got a trailer out there. I don't know if you can see it. I can't even see it. Trailer out there. We're gonna throw all this in, make some dump runs. Just get this place cleaned up. All this little junk back here. Up there, those tires aren't going. There's a special place here for tires, and I think it's expensive or something. I don't know if they recycle them or something. I don't know. Anyway, that's the plan. Let's hop. Shed's all torn down. Looks good. Getting everything raked up. Ezekiel's gonna mow the lawn. I can't even talk. The lawn right now. You'll probably weed eat the edges. We have got all this wood cleaned up, all that wood cleaned up. Pipe stand, chain link stand, lattice stand. This is what we the post we used for the fence. That stand. But all this other crap, other than the tires, because we can't put those nowhere. I'm gonna put all this in this trailer. We're coming along, getting things looking good around here. Anybody need a throne? Done for today. He's got some more work to do. We got some more fence posts to fix over yonder and over yonder, but they're gonna expand later on in life, so we're not even gonna touch that part. I'm just gonna fix that one later, another day. looks a lot better than what it did. I'm super happy with it. His wife's super happy with it. He's super happy with it. You hangry? You're hungry? Hangry? He's all. Anyway, so it's all about. You're gonna have us a good little time. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. We'll see you next time.